I come down here just to soak up the atmosphere and see all these people here. It's lovely.
Absolutely fantastic and a brilliant day. Air show, the boats, all the different nationalities. Fantastic, yeah.
Oh, you can't miss an event like this, can you?
They're terrific, yes. I've been here waiting a long time to see them, and I'm glad I came.
Oh, it's incredible. Just amazing. The best thing I've ever been on. You know, you all go all the time. You never get to stop, and
it's fantastic.
make
the
so many
is great
friends.
as well.